felt this way. The night was long and the sky was gray, and I wondered if I would always feel lonely. The winter chill is nice at first, but after a while the cold just burns, and I'm ready for the sun to shine down on me. Oh, and now I feel the sun. Yeah, being with you. One kiss of your lips and you're making my whole world bloom. I'm feeling brand new, oh, in the light of the moon. Oh, we're dancing all night to a favorite Timberlake tune. I can't stop this feeling, I'm falling for you. Thought love was a fleeting friend, just a dandelion lost in the wind. Go on, catch it if you can. For a while thought I was close, but I got thorns and not a rose. But with you I've got a field of wildflowers. I just love being with you, being with you. One kiss of your lips and you're making my whole world bloom. I'm feeling brand new. Oh, we're dancing all night to a favorite Timberlake tune. I can't stop this feeling, I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Now I can feel the sun.
Kennedy, the day is finally here, the day we've been waiting on for so long. Since the first time we met, I knew we'd be at this very spot someday.
One kiss of your lips and you're making my
2,177 days after I told my mom I met my future husband, we really did it. Somehow I managed to nab down the kindest, hardest working, most handsome man I've ever met.
dancing all night to a favorite Timberlake.
And now we get to teach our daughter what a real man looks like, all because of you.
Can't stop this, yeah, being with you. One kiss of your lips and you're making my whole world bloom. I'm feeling brand new.
Dates started happening, and I fell in love with you.
Oh, we're dancing all night to a
Why'd you want to do this before the truce?
can't stop this feeling.
It is my privilege to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Dylan and Kennedy Youngren. Dylan, you may kiss your bride.
Yeah, kiss of your lips and you're making my whole world bloom. I'm feeling
This venue is perfect. I can't wait for the future ahead of us. After this day, I promise to always be there for you and love you unconditionally.
It's always been you, babe. Forever and then some. I love you most.
I can't stop this feeling, I'm falling for you.
Please bless all of us. We thank you for the gathering of family and friends. Let us have a good night tonight, a good celebration for the beginning of a wonderful marriage.
Dandelion lost in the wind. Go on, catch it if you can. For a while thought I was close, but I got thorns and not a rose.
For all of you that know Kennedy like I do, you know that she's an incredibly passionate person. She puts her heart and soul into everything she cares about. You can see that in how she trained tirelessly to be a softball superstar. The way she studied and worked her butt off to be the legendary dietitian that she is today. And why I know that, Dylan, you are such a lucky guy, because you now have a wife that would do absolutely anything for you. And I'd say she's off to a pretty good start, considering that just a few short years ago, Kennedy was quite possibly the biggest girly girl I've ever known. And now she's out in the tractors helping on the farm and in love with everything cowhide. And thanks to you, I just couldn't be happier for him.
Now I can feel the sun. Being with you. One kiss of your lips and you're making my whole world blue.
I hope you guys never stop putting your all into your marriage and that you always put each other first. And I'd like to wish the two of you all the love and happiness in the world, and I can't wait to see where your love takes you.
Dylan, make sure you keep her happy. Otherwise, you're going to be feeding calves by yourself every day. I can officially admit you were a better wrestler than me, even though I would have literally died on the mat before I ever let you beat me. And I'm very proud of everything you've accomplished and the man you've become. You found a great partner, and I couldn't be happier for the both of you.
He chose you because he knows that you support him through all of these crazy hobbies. He knows that you'll cheer him on and hug him when he gets home. He chose you. When you're sick, exhausted, or cannot bear to feel one more emotion in a day, he'll make you smile because he chose you. He chose you 2,177 days ago in a crowd of 15,000 people, and he will choose you forever. But guess what? I choose you guys too. I choose to support you, love you, fight for you, and be there for you no matter what life throws at you. You both mean the world to me, and I choose to be there for you through it all.
Every person in here is so special to us. I mean, you guys made far commutes, you made close commutes, you've been with us for everything and as long as we can remember, and we just want to make sure tonight is as fun as it can be for you guys too while we celebrate the 2,177 days that I waited to be Dylan's wife.
I want to say thanks to everybody that came. It's really special to us.
Thanks.